Hi guys, it's me, Mitch002. Got our hands on the Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is the successor of the great Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, so we have the 4 gig and 64 gig black version here. So this is a global edition, so we are excited to open this up just for you. So upon taking this box off, we can see on the side it's a global edition. Okay, global version as printed on the side. So okay, taking off the box, Redmi Note 6 Pro. There's no indication on what processor this is, so everybody's guessing Snapdragon 660, 636, or what. We'll find it out. So we got 4 cameras here. Okay, so 2 at front, 2 at the back, 6.26 inch of screen, and 4000 milliampere of battery, which is not bad. Okay, taking a look at what's inside the box, we have a free jelly case, which is quite a standard already for Xiaomi units these days. Okay, of course, there is the user manual here. Okay, everything's in English since it's the global version. Okay, it's USB cord. This one is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 2, unfortunately. Okay, so let's focus it more. Okay, you can see it's a 5-volt 2 ampere charger. Okay, so let's place everything aside. And okay, now for the main event. Okay, this one is looking pretty much like the Redmi Note 5. I'm not sure what changed. Okay, micro USB, still micro USB, and loudspeaker and mic in at the bottom. Hybrid SIM 1 is nano, SIM 2 is nano, or micro SD slot, supports up to 256 of storage. Okay, 3.5mm audio jack, noise cancellation mic, and IR on at top. Okay, dual camera, fingerprint scanner, and dual camera at front. This is the first quad camera for a Redmi series. Okay, time for me to peel this film off. Okay, so there we go. Okay, the film is off. Let's place it in a clean paper. Okay, turning it on, we can see it's clear, crystal clear. Okay, for me the unit is very smooth. Let's check the settings. About phone, and there you go, Redmi Note 6 Pro, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig of storage. And okay, of course, let's check the kernel for the specs of the camera. Okay, software version, scroll all the way up, you can see it's a Tianma display, 2 Samsung at the back, 1 OV and 1 Samsung up front. Okay, so now it's for the moment of truth. There you go, it's a Snapdragon 636. Surprise! It's not a 660 as some of you have speculated. So sorry to burst your bubbles. Okay, let's check the camera. Okay, going on all the way to the manual mode. ISO 3200. Oh, just a 1/8 second. Checking the settings of the photo. Okay, I don't see any image stabilizer here. Dual camera watermark, check. Okay, picture quality is high, and everything is pretty much normal to me. Checking the video settings. Okay, we can see that there is image stabilization. Okay, so EIS is there, Video quality is only up to FHD, which is 1080p. No more UHD. Sorry. Okay, the unit is pretty much fluid, and let's see the result we got from Antutu. 112,000 points. Pretty not bad for a mid-ranger. Then of course we'll run more tests, the battery test, and hey, not bad. Selfie cam. Okay, so here's some of the photos I've taken. Okay, look at this Garfield. Picture quite good. All I can say, it's pretty good, similar to that of the Redmi Note 5. Okay, and I'm pretty much satisfied with its camera. Probably even better than the Poco phone, the camera. Okay, so yeah, there you go. The image are pretty crystal clear. Okay, so stick around as I review this thoroughly on my website at the forum emui.com. Okay, this is me, Mr. 02. Thanks for watching.